Good morning, guys. There's no light here. Let me open the window. Mamukasi. Okay, I think it's better now, right? So yeah, good morning, guys. What's gonna be happening in today's vlog is I'm gonna be doing the house chores, and guys, today there's noise opposite by church. Like, man, noise is too much. But anyways, what's gonna be happening in today's vlog is I'm going to Mbuz roundabout. I got some cash I don't know collect koko from someone special, and then after that arrow, I think I'm gonna go to Southly Park also. Guys, the love that you guys are showing me is crazy. There's someone who just bought me a very expensive mics, tripod stand, and lights like lightning here, podcast here. So podcast coming soon, and I think I'm gonna meet the person Southly Park bakwavo. I don't know if I'm gonna show you mwachona panapa kana comfortable nazo, but I just know that podcast coming soon. Guys, I really appreciate the love and support that you guys are showing me. Is it showing? And then but before that, I'm gonna do some house chores nyana. I think those are on the road very fast because waking up, doing some dishes, it's crazy, right? Sweeping Mumbai, I don't mind, but doing some dishes, could I say at least until the day to question 2 years, could I say otherwise yo, the others are one. You guys are. So what I'm gonna be doing first is I'm gonna be making cereal, and then after cereal, sutanga. And I think I just have like to suka my plates because you got I think it's drama. Room actually game room kumukira no garapanzo suka mandiro. So I think since my room is a bit big, it's small, but it's nice like for me to wash my place down. I got up at this corner go to garang ba bucket rank watch at my place because it's not like my place around 225,000. It's just my place angu chedin in 1 2 3 my place. And I think it's nice no go sit ramunom then I pay and try and do up then do for my windows and stuff come up. So guys, let me show you Shagatamba before the time duties and then after. So yeah, thank you. So yeah, guys, one thing chandaka notice kuti vanhu panapa munoda kurongedza dzimba dzevanhu stereki. Handisi kuzoteerera kuti shureki kubva apa munonyepa. Chero mukakomenda everyday kuti ngaibva ipi. So guys, ndombeda wangu. Madziro I tried cleaning them, but it's like ipendi yakatobva ipapa. So you guys, one mavato acho. Guys, I'm doing a challenge, man. I think I'm gonna buy my sheets. So I think I know my winter sheets and I look. So sometimes even my pillowcase are aroma piece. And straight on my pillows I'm washing, but I don't want that. Or maybe I have to buy a hair bonnet maybe. Because I have a shot. Look what to do. Truth of my winter sheets out. Tell me those conversation with Nakama watch as well, especially my pillowcase. Small one. And then yeah. Do my PlayStation now you want to know that much. Yeah, do my PlayStation online. And then we do come back. So and I see my rice yesterday. I think I'm gonna make some eggs for it and then those original mascati. But for now I'm craving for serere vivivi. So you guys are doka jangi room kangu achiri makuseni. I'm gonna be show you kana chingera pets so guys, this is currently my bin. Thank you bin. Anyways guys, thank you so much for your love and support. Let me see let's make the cereal. Let's get it. Salute. Right, that's our breakfast amanaga. So this is jaroda mukaka sugar what dude ungodzi munangari mboda zvakadaro. Audze munangari mboda kuti sere roda mukaka roda sugar shama toshanda nezvipagaraudi shamari zviripo tamba nevanhu vachika poriji rachona nemvura inotondora mukaka itori luxury zva ndikutaura chandofara kutenga idoi ndavhura ndarasa guys ndavhura kaburika diki and I messed up my stove. Okay.
And this time next 12 days. Ndaona ndapedza ne2 days miziroma neru ndaingorifunga ndakarara. I think it's enough. Apa kudhura kwanoita pamene kusina chinhu munhu
zvakaoma. I think vanhu vakagadzira this thing vaifanira kugadzira kana ma25 kgs because pakaipa pakashata ka500 grams is not enough. But anyways, let's see what we can do here. Yaboila mvura. So firstly, we clean our environment. Izvi ndakazvidzidziswa naTanaka izvi. Tanaka was my head chef. And so I always clean your environment. When you go big now. So yeah. Okay. I really miss this smell. I think I do that over Cape Town now. When I don't do that, I'm Zimbabwe. Cape Town really price around $6. Really one. I'm going to $3.50. Cape Town will around $7. Then you're going to $120. Now my Zimbabwe, my products, South Africa. Yeah, they might get around. So much capture kumushira man. Yes. Yeah, this is nice. So you guys stay tuned. Let me eat my potty. After that, we'll start doing the chores. Tango.
Baby, my bro. Okay. Anzi doi bof. Shua panajanda una. Zvaifura nekumberi kwangu. Pamwe ndisina mbona. Zvakundinetsa kuvhuma kuti ndiwe wakundidara. Ndazeza kufema hana ina mufara. Kutadza kurara. Ufunga iwe. Say you chindidaro. Say you chindidaro. Chindidaro, daro. Say you chindidaro.
So guys, as you can see, I'm done sweeping the room. Asana ronge zangu I'm done sweeping. That's all nekumopa. And then I'm gonna mop. Kana chingirira sei. I'm gonna mop kana chingira pedza kusuka. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the final look. And then after that, we're gonna go to the roundabout and maybe meet Munoya Katinga mics and stuff. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned. Let's go.
Kusha kwa mundaini Sherudo swagumira pano inindasareni Sherudo hapashina Mazuva mashinji pakarenda Ndogona kungosvida ndega Kana kutamba ndega Ndaifunga ndini ndega we wakakomberedzwa Ndichikuremekedza Zausingaone Bandaitraya one Bandaishanda one Bandaitraya Say you chindidaro Say you chindidaro Say you chindidaro Say you chindidaro Pangwa una moyo Pangwa una moyo Dai une moyo wako Dai tiri kure 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 Pangwa una moyo Pangwa una moyo Dai une moyo wako Dai tiri kure 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 kure
Yo, what's good YouTube? The baby guys, I'm slowly forgetting my intro. It's called what's good YouTube? The baby guys, so you said the intro go to the kangano. Let's try again. What's good YouTube? The baby what's good YouTube? The baby what's good YouTube? The baby channel. Guys, I saw a lot of you asking what praise why side the intro, guys. This intro is so harsh and it's so loud. It's usually mu Zimbabwe wanasingaziye YouTube watoshadu first report yekwa itwa second. So ndaiti what's good YouTube, it's a boy press and that's good dude. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and today I'm back to another banger. So ndaiti start fast kid. What's good YouTube? What's good YouTube, it's a boy press and that's good dude. Welcome back to another banger. What's good YouTube? What's good YouTube, it's a boy press and that's good dude. Welcome back to my channel and another banger. What's good YouTube, it's a boy press and that's good dude. Welcome back to my channel and another banger. What's good YouTube, it's a boy that's crazy. Anyways guys, andozi kwanza kwenda kumbuzi roundabout kwa. I just realized this weekend Mkuru is closed and the person that I was supposed to meet ataro takaneta mamindo jet leg because the person was traveling from UK and you know the thing akacha kubosvika musi uyo and kundi vanasangana beside akaneta and stuff, so yeah, maybe I might meet the person today ndowana masinacho bikes and stuff. So guys, a podcast coming soon. If you have nyaya dzinoshikisa dzinoshamisa dzinoda kufumurwa nezvakawanda talent zvaonazvo zvingaita kuti udeserve kuya podcast, let me know in the comment section. Be my first guest. Anyways guys, thank you for watching the video to the end. Make sure you like, comment, you share and you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. You understand? I'm doing a free giveaway of $20 data. Kana wakagona kuita intro yangu what's good YouTube, I'm not sure if you're gonna do it because it's watching updated. So make sure you go and watch all my vlogs. But later intro when I was in Cape Town. What's good YouTube, what's good YouTube, something like that. So guys, I beg guys, thank you for watching till the end. Let's go. Don't forget to like, to comment, to share and to subscribe. Mozana varoi Vambi
kuti praise makara dropa go and share rain race more spotana tango